fireworks. Still have the fireworks. It is so cold. I'm already late to where I need to be this morning, and I get stuck by a train. And this train has been here for a minute. I haven't had my coffee yet. And Dunkin' Donuts is on the other side of these tracks. And this is how my day's gonna go, I guess. Oh, man. It's daylight now. I got my coffee. It is freezing outside. But I got my coffee. I made it over the railroad tracks. And I got my coffee. It's kind of all I'm concerned with is having my coffee. I am ready for today to be over with on so many levels. I don't like working when it's cold. I don't think anyone likes working when it's cold. I hope you guys have enjoyed my episodes. I shared with you some holidays, New Year's, Christmas, and Thanksgiving. I was hoping Cade would have arrived by now, but he's not. He hasn't even made a move to arrive by now. He's still in there. Hopefully he will pop out any day now. I'm definitely ready to meet him. Hopefully this time next year I will have started to move into my home or started the purchase of my home. That's all that's on my mind this year is buying a house. Buying a house and making lots of money is my 2024 goal. I do want to buy a truck, but my house, I need to do that first. Any regrets for 2023? Of course, I have regrets. I'm disappointed in myself for getting that ticket. I gave away $1,000 that I didn't have. That happened to me. And I am woman enough to say that I definitely misjudged a lot of people's character. A lot of people, period. I was wrong about a lot of people. I definitely misjudged them, and I was definitely hurt when I found out different. Karma is real. You guys are going to get y'all's karma. I'm not even going to mention your name or play into your little traps or whatever. Like, I'm just not going to do it, but I see. And I definitely misjudged quite a few people. Wasn't intentionally. I honestly thought that these people was genuine, and come to find out, they wasn't. I thought these people was about their business and had good intentions, and in the end they didn't. The whole time they were being mean and doing dirty things and being very spiteful, but they definitely played a good game. So yes, I misjudged people's character, and I definitely learned. And I should already know. And I know, but I did. I did it anyway. I was hoping that all the rumors and things that I was hearing wasn't true. But what can you do? It is what it is. Rumors at work will make you come home and drink when you know they're lying to you. Rumors will drive you crazy. Not knowing whether you're going to have a job or not is stressful. And what do? I come home and I start drinking my Fireball because I'm stressed. And I'm stressed because of rumors. Nothing else. Nothing but rumors. I decided to make me a goal vision board, and my main goal is to buy a house. That's not gonna change. But I don't know, I wanted to make one. I didn't put a lot on here. It's just simple, good vibes. Eat healthy, stay humble. Of course, make lots of money. But, yes, and be happy. I am only going to focus on getting the house and get situated with that. I do have a few small goals, but those will be easy. Buy a house, that's it, that's all. Stay focused on that. Make lots of money. Move so I can buy me a car. Not a car. I want a truck. I'm going to end up buying me a truck. But the house comes first. As bad as I want to get a new truck, the house comes first. Gotta be responsible.